Everyone, I'm going home right now and time check is 6. 6 na pala. Ganito ngayon. 6 na. 6 na. It's 6 p.m. I'm just walking here. Kasi wala akong pamasahe. Pumunta ng school. Kasi ano ba yan? Nagsauli lang ng rest to my professor. Because I'm already done doing a coaching chart. Basta kasi yung namin activities in school. So look at this house na ganyan lang siya open. Pero maganda. Ganyan dito. Ganyan lang. Balik tayo dito sa mukha kong agad-agad. Just wanna take a walk because cozy in the office, just sitting down there in the chair. Ganyan lang. Ako lang ata isa dito naglalakbay. Char. Naglalakbay, di ba? Sabing naglalakad lang. Tapos, so let's resume. Let's continue what I'm talking right now. So, ako lang isa dito. Ayun walang tao naglalakad. Ako lang. Ay, meron pa pala dun sa in the center aisle, char. And the center, yun si kuya, Yan. Di man klaro, Ano man ito, Sige. Let's go there, in the there. So, para tayo na sa It look like we are here in the... It's gonna cross this one. Nakatakot magtawid dito. Walang sign. My gosh. Ang laki ng bahay nila dito. Yan, look at this. Doon tayo dadaan kasi baka ma-jug-jug tayo ng sasakyan. But anyway, this is good. Para ako nasa ibang bansa. Yan, It look like I'm here in the Saan ba yung look at that, Ang lalaki ng mga Anong tawag dito? Garage ng mga sasakyan. Now, ano ba yun? So now, I just will take a walk. But in the future, I will gonna drive my own car, my own bicycle, and anything that's all about travel. No, it's a driver like that. Let's continue what I'm doing. We're here in the SM Ecoland. Malapit na ako sa bahay namin. Ang ginawa ko is lakad-takbo para exercise rin naman sa legs kung mahaba. SM, you're my SM, you got it all for you. O diba? Ang I'm going to tatawid ako. Ano po sa English na tatawid ako? I'm gonna cross the river. No, I'm gonna cross the road yan. I'm gonna cross the road the Sarang Lamar. No. Yung mga SM. Ayun si SM. SM, yan. Bibalisan ko maglakad. Gabi ko. Hello. Always on the night. Listen. Yan, listen.